Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a super cute pine tree using pom-poms. Now I've already made these pom-poms using the We Are Memory Keepers pom-pom makers. They come in 3 different sizes, and I have made a ton of fun pom-poms just using a fun green and tan yarn to make our pine tree. Now I can't decide if this is going to be a pine tree or a Christmas tree, but we will make that decision at the end with some of the accessories that we can add on. So to get started, I've already got my paper mache tree here. I got this at Hobby Lobby, a tree cone, and then I have about 20 of the large pom-poms and about 25 of the medium and 25 of the small pom-poms. Now I'm hoping this is going to be enough. I might need to make some more, but that is what I have set aside. I think it will be enough. And then I also have my glue gun. So I am just going to go around my cone here and just glue on these pom-poms. So this is going to be a super easy craft. And one that we can do fairly quickly. So let's kind of move, oh, my scissors were buried in there. Let's kind of move some of our pom-poms to this side. Now with my cone base, I am just going to go around and glue these on. Now I am not going to go by size. I thought about doing large on the bottom and medium in the middle and then small on the top, but I think I'm actually just going to just kind of go random style and see how that goes. So super easy. I'm just going to grab a pom-pom. I'm going to find the center. Gonna take my hot glue gun and put a dollop there, and then I'm just going to push that right onto my cone. Now I am going to start with the base just because I do kind of want to cover up this trunk part of the tree. So I'm going to start with the base, but then I'm just going to kind of build it around as I go. All right, so now I've got my base done, and now I'm just gonna kind of go around and start putting them wherever I want. Okay, adding my last couple pom-poms on. Put one more right here. And then we'll do one more right there on the top. Doesn't it look awesome, you guys? A lot of glue on this one. Right over the top. Just like that. And when you fluff it up, doesn't that look so cool? That is our pine tree. Now here is where we can decide if we want it to just be a pine tree or if we want it to become a Christmas tree. You could glue all sorts of fun things on here. You could glue ornaments, you could glue like a little tiny string of lights, or icicles or garland or whatever you wanted. Now I did get these much smaller red pom-poms. I bought them pre-made because thinking I might want to put a couple little red pom-poms in there just to make it a bit more festive. So what do you guys think? Should I put those in there? I can't decide. I really like it both ways. So you could totally just add cute little pom-poms. You could even do the different colored pom-poms and they would look like ornaments or like lights. But I think I am just going to leave mine as a tree, but there are the other options that you have. So there is our pine tree. Oh, and I guess I should say you would just glue them in the same way, just with a hot glue gun, and you would glue those into place. But there is our finished pine tree. This is gonna look so awesome on top of our piano with all of our other Christmas ornaments, or not ornaments, but Christmas decorations for our little Christmas display. I kind of like how some of the strings are a bit more uneven. I think that makes it look more real. No tree is perfect. Even our Christmas trees aren't perfect. So there you go. That's how you can easily make a pom-pom tree to add to your decorations. And without it being a Christmas tree, you can keep it up really all year long, depending on what your theme is for your home decor. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I'd love for you to follow my YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And you can also always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.